Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a car battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm and 13mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a battery puller. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Hyundai Genesis is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents accidental electrical shorts or movement during the process. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. In many Hyundai Genesis models, the battery is located in the trunk, often under a cover. Carefully remove any plastic covers or carpeting to expose it. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. Always disconnect the negative before the positive to avoid sparks. Then, do the same for the positive terminal and unfasten any battery hold-down clamps. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush. This ensures a good electrical connection. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits firmly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Finally, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug and corrosion-free. After connecting everything, double-check that the battery hold-down clamp is firmly secured. This prevents the battery from shifting while driving, which could damage the terminals or the battery itself. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to protect them from future buildup. Start your car to ensure everything is working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.